guys? Welcome to the vlog. It's me, dabbing dishwasher. It's my day off. Fucking, yeah, hopefully I get a good check today because with the new dishwasher being, like, hired, he asks if he could take some of my shifts. So, I'm not really that bad or, like, sad about that, you know. He wants more hours so he can have more hours. That's pretty fine, except me always having 40 hours. This brings me down to maybe 30, 29, and it's a good amount of money that it docks down, but I'm not worried. Like, why should I be worried? Like, we work as humans, we work to get money that we need and to spend our money for stuff that we need, food, drugs, whatever makes us happy. But him coming to the job, he's asking if he could take some of my shifts, so that's fine with me. You know, you need to make some money, I'm letting you make some money. It's just I'm docking off my money by giving you my scheduled shift. Not that that's bad. You're the homeboy, Alonzo. I appreciate you working some of my days. Probably you guys are gonna see my uncle. He's the dishwasher in the afternoon because it's like 4:40 right now. Yeah, my uncle should be washing dishes, but I hope everybody's having a great Friday. Well, whatever day you're watching this. Right now it's Thursday, but you know, don't let anything fuck up your day, guys. Have good vibes and make sure fucking if anybody tells you something wrong that you don't like, look them dead in the eye and say, fuck you. Because you're not living my life, I'm living my own life. Don't let anybody fuck up your day, guys. Seriously. Thank you, sir, so much. I appreciate what you bus drivers do to get me to where I need to go. I would have liked to show you guys like some of my whack-ass skateboarding, like wannabe trying to fucking skateboard, but you know, I'm on the light rail guy here, so I didn't need to wait. No waiting for this fucking dishwasher. But it looks like it's gonna rain, and I hate skateboarding in the rain. It messes up my board and it just gets me wet. Like, I don't mind being wet, but you know, if you're a skateboard, it's difficult when it's wet outside and the ground's very wet. Yeah, today should be a good day. I left the house, I seen in the kitchen that there were steaks on the counter, so I think Franklin's making steak tonight for dinner. I don't know. But I know that I'm gonna hopefully get my check cashed. That'll be a good plus. But yeah, I don't know if you guys have heard, but around freaking the 16th Street Mall in Denver, there's like just craziness happening. Like the day before yesterday, this dude had a big 4x4.
This is the theater district.
This guy had a big...
This is the H line to 9 Mile. Stand clear. The doors are closing.
So this guy had a big 4x4 or a pole. He was hitting people with it. He was hitting females. He was hitting like 2 dudes. It was literally right by my job. And yeah, I'm glad I wasn't working that day. And 2 days before that, on the 16th Street Mall, some dude put, like, held hostages, or him and his girlfriend had guns, and I guess they were holding people at hostage. Well, the guy, he shot himself in the head, and the girl, I guess she had multiple shots to her. She's still alive, but the guy is dead. I'm telling you guys, like downtown Denver in the 16th Street Mall, it's really crazy. Like anything can happen, anything can go down. And that's another reason why I like working down here, because yeah, I could literally see anything happen. And I could hope that the camera's rolling so you guys can see it too. Hopping off that light rail, headed to my jizzob, so I can get my H-E-C-K check. You guys want to know something? Someday I'm gonna have some badass equipment like these guys next to me. See that fucking camera? You see that shit? That shit is steady. It won't move. It won't jolt like my arm right here. Someday, guys. Someday. I'm so glad I'm not working today. Whoa. When did my job get our very own mats? Very trippy. It's this beautiful girl's last day. It's not cool because I'm not gonna see her, but
I wanted to bring you a cake, but then I didn't plan accordingly.
you guys could see her. You guys can rewatch my videos and see her. Baker boy, grind on me, grind on me. I love my cousin. No, everybody at the house, they're all like, try to get some time off so you can go to Oklahoma and pick up that kid that I took out to Oklahoma last year, because he has a baby. He's your. It was a couple weeks ago, yeah. Yeah, I tried to eat 150 chicken nuggets, but I only ate 36. Full, bro. A 20 piece would have you full? I love my cousin. And I love my uncle.
Hey, you know what though? I'm really thinking you got motherfucking raise, so you know what? If they don't give me that raise yourself, I might be there my couple days, motherfucker.
If my uncle don't get a raise, he's outie. 5280, you guys are watching.
I've been here fucking too long, 3 years.
Love you guys.
Yeah, 50 an hour.
Later.
You get most out for full tax.
Another day, another dollar, and for sure, another dab.